Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch movies on Stremio. So this is a very helpful tutorial and it will help you. So first of all, when you come to streamio.io.com and click on the discovery, you can just see here you can see these movies which are you need to pay, but now here you can see if you click on this filter option, go to see here these movies are totally free. You can watch and you can stream too. But if you want to watch these kind of movie, you have to add ons. For example, if you want to watch this movie, you have to add on. For example, you have to add on Netflix add-on. Here you will not get to see that Netflix add-on. You have to just click on this, go to community and search for Netflix. Here you can have these kind of add-ons. You have to install it and you can simply stream all of the movies you want. But disclaimer, whatever I am already against the piracy of the movies. Make sure that you are not going to make any trouble for yourself. And if this video found helpful, then thanks for watching. Like this video and